I can see there are a lot of panelists over here with us today. We are all excited about sharing with you all about Call XP, and I will go ahead with introducing you to our founder, Mr. Aman Gupta, who is also the brainy behind Call XP. Aman, thank you for joining, and I will set the stage for you first. I would like to ask you a few questions. Number one is, what is what is Call XP, and why is Call XP, and who it is for, and what is creator economy actually? So the stage is for you.
Thank you, Sean, and thank you everyone for a great turnout. I'm really excited today to be present in front of all of you and be able to present this wonderful platform that we have been working on. And so I'm happy to introduce to all of you the Call XP platform, callxp.com. So what Call XP is, as Sean you asked, so Call XP is a platform that is providing all the creators, professionals, and educators a platform to come out and directly reach out to their audience and start to monetize that audience. So Call XP is basically connecting the providers of knowledge to the seekers of knowledge. So Call XP is also, if you can understand, Call XP is basically built from call and XP. So where XP stands for experience or expertise. So it is again, as I can say, it's providing a platform for people to share their experiences and expertise to the people. All right. So there are three broad categories that we basically relate Call XP with. The one are the educators. Educators could be anyone who wants to teach maybe dance, robotics, or there could be academics that they want to teach. And my dadima could also be, there who could teach cooking to the audience. So there are educators who want to share their wisdom with people. Then there are professionals. So there is a huge need for professionals in all the segments. They could be doctors. जो हमने देखा अभी हमारे pandemic के time पे, so there was a huge need for doctors and experts जो कि इस particular crisis के time पे लोगों को मदद कर सकें, उनको advice कर सकें. Then there are relationship counselors, lawyers, and advisors, startup mentors. जो इतने सारे startups इंडिया में आ रहे हैं, so there is a huge need for startup mentors to be there. So these professionals are one part who can set up their virtual office on Call XP. So beyond geographical barriers, if I want to reach out to a person who is maybe an expert in e-commerce, a mentor who is an expert in e-commerce, I can directly reach out to him and I can ask for his expertise through Call XP. And the last but not the least, the third audience that we definitely look up to is the entertainment. So आपको अगर मैं brief idea दूं, इंडिया में पिछले 2 साल के अंदर the number of creators कौन है जो भी content, digital content create करते हैं किसी भी form में. It could be audio, it could be video, it could be an image. Any digital medium, any digital media that is being created by creators. As we speak today in this particular webinar, we're also basically creating digital content. So, and in India, in the last 2 years, the digital content creators have increased by leaps and bounds. And today, India is home to more than 5 crore creators already. So these are the people who are doing something out of the passion. They are trying to do a good deed, and they are sharing news and updates and various videos, various hilarious videos. They are making people enjoy the content. So these are the creators who are also using various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and whatnot to reach out to their audience. But again, that is a free audience, and they are not actually able to get anything or earn anything out of their audience. So the passion actually just becomes a side income or something which is very subtle, and they grind the whole day just to earn the bucks while the passion is not earning them something. So here with Call XP, we are trying to change all of that. We are here to basically provide or enable this particular market so that they can come up and they can start sharing their experiences with their audience, and they can convert that part of that audience into a paid customer. All
Right.
right. So that is how we are basically proceeding with Call XP.
And just to chip in, I think Aman, जिस तरह so मैं audience को बताया नहीं, we'll keep this conversation in Hindi and English both so that people are, because India की हमारी ज़्यादा जनता है and in this sessions and going forward. But in nutshell, what Call XP for me also is is a platform which is gonna bring everybody together, the entire probably I will say the entire world together, who is trying to become a solopreneur in the market. So
Perfect.
and a lot of people are getting upskilled. People are doing a lot of things. I think what now we would love to see is a journey, Aman.
Let's go ahead, Sean. Are you there?
Yeah. So if you can show us a journey from the
Yeah.
first touch point to the last touch point, probably how it really works for everybody.
Done. Let me just share my screen with you. What I'll show you is the complete journey of how a brand is built and how a brand is created on Call XP, and how's the journey like. All right.
Sure.
Let me know when you can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Perfect. So here we have Dr. Abhinav, who is from AIMS New Delhi, and he is a professional who is on Call XP, and he wants to basically share his experiences and expertise with various audiences. So he is also a mentor. जो बच्चे अभी नीट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, who are preparing for the AIMS, who are aspiring to go to AIMS, he is mentoring those children. He is an academic director, an edupreneur, and a teacher at the same time. So, he's wearing a lot of hats, and kudos to him. And we are really happy to have him with us today. So anyone who basically creates a profile on Call XP, or anyone who gets onboarded on Call XP, has their own website and a complete profile of their own. So this is something what a platform looks like on Call XP. So here the top banners, and we know we get a little glimpse on who Dr. Abhinav is and what are his expertise. Little about himself. We can see he's a very handsome guy. So we can actually subscribe and get to know his updates as well. What are his specializations? If I'm here to seek some kind of advice, so what all I can expect from Dr. Abhinav is something that I can list here. So Dr. Abhinav can also link all his social media channels, which includes YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook here with the within his page directly, so that his audience can also get to see what he's creating on a regular basis. People can start sharing their reviews, and he can showcase them to the world here as well. And if I want to start my journey, I can directly click on Dr. Abhinav's calendar. I can book a meeting slot with him. So this is a brief about how the profile looks like. But let's first of all understand the journey for Dr. Abhinav. All right, how Abhinav creates his slots and how he basically appeals to the audience. So when he logins with his phone number and OTP, he gets to his own admin panel. This admin panel shows him about various things, what kind of meetings are there, which he can join. And along with that, so if he wants to create a new meeting, he can just create a new meeting from here. So I'll just take you to the meeting as well. So creating a meeting is very simple. You just need to mention the name, the duration, and the date, the number of participants that you are actually asking in that particular meeting. What are the call charges? We have also given an option of variable call charges. What that means is that if I can say that for the 15-minute slot, I have a fixed call charge of rupees 500. But I can also say that, okay, I'll be giving the first 10 minutes as a free consultation. After that, I'll start charging 100 rupees a minute or 50 rupees a minute or something like that. So all these options are also available while you're creating a meeting. And then there is a small description. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You can create as many meetings as you want in a day and according to your availability. All right. तो ये है डॉक्टर अभिनव का बेसिकली एडमिन, जहां से वो अपनी मीटिंग्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं और क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Along with that, पूरा लेजर मैनेजमेंट जो है वो यहाँ पर जो है वो हम मैनेज कर लेते हैं, जहाँ पर ही कैन टेक मनी फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस, वी कैन विड्रॉ एंड ही कैन सी द हिस्ट्री एज वेल. Here we can see जितनी भी calls उन्होंने ली हैं, all the call, the entire history is available over here. All the users you can see, and all the meetings that he has done with a particular user, they are also available. यहाँ पे मैं एक और चीज हाईलाइट करना चाहता हूँ कि जितनी भी मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं, these meetings are auto recorded and saved on the server automatically. ठीक है ना, सो दैट अगर मुझे फ्यूचर में आना है डॉक्टर अभिनव, मुझे डॉक्टर अभिनव ने अपने किसी एक पेशेंट के साथ उनकी जितनी भी पुरानी कॉल्स हुई हैं उसको रेफर करना है, सो ही कैन डू दैट एट द सेम प्लेस. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर मैं एक यूजर हूँ और मैं इस पर्टिकुलर जर्नी का पार्ट बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर अभिनव से कोई कंसल्टेंसी लेना चाहता हूँ. So what I need to do, I just need to click on get VIP access or his calendar, and what I'll see is the list of all the meetings that I have on a particular day. मैं किसी भी दिन पे जाके कोई भी meetings उनकी देख सकता हूँ. I can click on get access, and I'll just need to enter my phone number and OTP and select the payment method जो कि मैं यूज करना चाहता हूँ उस पर्टिकुलर मीटिंग को एक्सेस करने के लिए. And as soon as my payment is done, my meeting is confirmed. All right. So a very simple and straightforward method जिससे कि मेरी meetings जो हैं वो डॉक्टर अभिनव के साथ confirm हो गई and I can join the meeting after that. ठीक है. So we saw two journeys here. One journey is जहाँ पर कि डॉक्टर अभिनव ने अपना एडमिन को कंट्रोल किया है अपने स्लॉट्स अपनी अवेलेबिलिटी के हिसाब से. So this is also giving him a freedom कि यार अगर मैं रात को 8 बजे से 10 बजे के बीच में अवेलेबल होता हूँ and I want to create 2 or 3 meeting slots in that time period to utilize my free time, and I have given that access in the market. I have done promotion on my social media as well, and I have done the brand promotion. So उससे जो लोग interested हैं मुझसे बात करने में और मेरी consultation लेने में, they can utilize those time slots to reach back to me and to consult and talk to me. And I also earn an extra income. And as my income, this income keeps on growing, I'm getting a chance to actually consider at what time I actually stop doing the other jobs that I'm doing just to earn money, and when I can make my passion into a full-time job.
Perfect. I'm sure so काफी सारे hands raised हो रहे हैं
Thank
बीच
you.
में and there are questions coming up.
Yeah.
So just मैं audience के लिए बताना चाहता हूँ that whatever questions you have, there is a Q&A box you will find there. If you can go ahead and put in your questions if you have, so that we get time to answer or we can answer all the questions to you. I will move on, Aman, with I'll come back to you once again if required. But as of now, I will want to go ahead and understand what is the sense or what is the pulse we have from the panelists we have who already have the profiles up on the scale. And first question I have is to Umang. Let's see if she is here. Thank you. Just want to introduce Umang real quick. Umang is a renowned master of Bacchus. She is experienced teacher. She has her own classes. She is also a trainer of children for the group age of 5 to 14 years, I believe. And she's an expert in what she does. Umang, abhi aapki ek journey hai. Today you have your own journey right now. I understand that there are a lot of things which you currently do, but since pandemic, we saw teachers finding it hard to teach online. And over the period of last 1 year, probably post-pandemic, there are teachers who have developed their own skills in a way and they start to teach virtually. Today, we see a lot of teachers creating their own virtual classrooms, and there is a lot of manual effort which goes in. How do you think, or what do you think, can CallXP virtual classroom can help a teacher like you or a teacher who wants to teach? What is going to become more efficient if you use CallXP?
First of all, Sean, I will say that CallXP is the best platform, time saving and the safe method for us to show our more skills to the audience, because there has been a great rise in the teachers community from a virtual classroom standpoint. Nowadays, most of the teachers are getting virtual classes. Me, I'm also getting very used to take online classes, have a WhatsApp group of my students, and there I used to send them a link, and then take early sessions. And I used to create Google Forms, take manual registrations, take payments manually, and even there are a lot of manual efforts. So even a lot of manual efforts to take early sessions. And I used to go through the multiple platforms to get more attention in the market, like Facebook, Instagram, emails. From these platforms, there are so many limitations also, and I don't get uh, uh, वो चीजें मुझे नहीं मिल पाती हैं जो according to my requirement. Platform is centralizing the teachers ecosystem, providing me a number of career advancement opportunities. And obviously, it's a secure payment method. It has a secure payment method. Whenever any parent comes to me for the biggest classes, I always used to share my contact number, which is sometimes unsafe for me. And now, whenever I come to know about this platform,
and I'm sure you will be able to secure your payments and get things done. So basically, आपकी भावनाओं को समझते हुए probably थोड़े से विस्तार में अगर हम आ जाएं, तो एक जो अभी मैनुअल एफर्ट जो टीचर का लग रहा है, वो सब चीज करने में, वो कॉन्टैक्ट्स बनाने में, अपनी आउटरीच बनाने में, ऑडियंस बनाने में, एंड देन तो पूरा प्रोसेस, गूगल फॉर्म्स भेजना, रजिस्ट्रेशंस कलेक्ट करना, फिर उसको डाउनलोड करके व्हाट्सएप में मैनुअल नंबर ऐड करके फिर ग्रुप बनाना, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हैसल, राइट?
And so on top of that, Sean, we should remember कि किस तरह से बच्चों ने टीचर्स को रात को 1-1 बजे भी तंग किया है कि ये दिक्कत आ रही है, कभी 11 बजे मैसेज कर दिया क्योंकि you are sharing your personal details with the children. So I think that is also very
Absolutely
problematic thing.
But do you have any other points to add, Umanji?
अमन, आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, definitely. मतलब I have been very closely associated with the teacher community over the last few years, and I have really seen the journey, how many efforts they put in, from basically creating, reaching out to the audience, उसके बाद उनके साथ discussions करना, उनको बताना अपने बारे में, हर चीज के लिए एक टीचर को इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ता है. एक्चुअली एक टीचर से ज्यादा मैनेजर का काम करता है if he or she is running their own institution. So I completely agree with you what you said, that it is very tough to manage the entire journey from end to end. And ये इसीलिए जो solopreneurs हैं, जो हमारे बीच में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अच्छे डांसर्स हैं, म्यूजिशियंस हैं, एकेडमिशियंस हैं, लेकिन वो लोग इसी हैसल की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं कर पाते या बहुत ज्यादा बच्चों तक पहुंच नहीं पाते, because there is a lot of manual effort required and they feel that who is going to do all those administrative tasks. But fortunately for everyone, and that's the intention of CallXP as well, that हम लोग उन particular gaps को fill कर सकें, and we basically bridge in those particular points जहाँ पर कि आपको inconvenience का सामना करना पड़ता था, and we bring in we bridge all those basically barriers, so that more of Umang Jans and more of those creators and those talented people can come out and start showing their talent and start helping the people in need with their talents across. And जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये platform तो दादी माँ के लिए भी हम लोग बनाएंगे, so that she can also basically come and share her talents of cooking and so many things जो हम अपने कहीं ना कहीं खो गए हैं कल्चर में चीजों में. So I'm sure that this will also be a platform for that community to come forward and start sharing their experiences. Thank you, Umang.
Super. Thank you so much, Umang. I quickly want to jump to Dr. Abhinav, who is I don't have to really tell the people or the audience if somebody is aware about. He's a famous doctor from prestigious AIMS, and he's also a gold medalist in New Delhi. He is actually a NEET mentor. So he's of course a doctor, but he's also a NEET mentor, wherein he actually trains people and gives a career counseling to all those aspirants who are looking forward to apply or they're preparing for those critical examinations. So, Dr. Abhinav, thank you for joining us. If you can please come on the video, and we can probably see you. Thank you so much.
Hi, sir.
See, when I was trying to prepare a question for you, I was thinking of a lot of things, but I see doctors are consistently contributing to the creator economy because there are a lot of sessions we see online on YouTube, on Instagram, and so many other platforms. But I see that there is a lot of variance in that also because हमें पता है बहुत सारे भी apps भी आई हैं, and I don't want to name those apps, but everybody knows. But how exactly it is happening? I mean, what are the challenges doctors are facing today to have their own digital presence? Or probably I would say, since you are now on CallXP, since you already have a profile, how do you see your personalized digital tone line making it easy or making it more comfortable for you to connect with your immediate audience, your patients or your students? What are your thoughts like?
Okay. First of all, thank you, Sean, for having me here. And सबसे बड़ी बात यार, I had two main problems. Like as Aman sir also said, I'm a doctor, I'm a NEET mentor, and I'm a teacher. My two biggest problems were first, the communication that was happening between me and my patients or between me and my mentors was very one way. Like I create YouTube videos and I have like a Telegram channel or a WhatsApp group. The communication is very one way. Like I only talk and talk and talk. I don't know if the other person is receiving my information or not. With CallXP, the communication is going to be two way. Like if someone has any query or if he or she has a specific problem for which he or she wants a specific solution, they can easily book my slot. They can look at my calendar and they can easily book a slot and they can have a talk with me. And उनको चल जाएगा पता कि हाँ उनकी जो प्रॉब्लम है उसका 1-to-1 सॉल्यूशन क्या होने वाला है. So first benefit, जो सबसे बड़ा benefit मुझे लगता है for people like me, कि communication is going to be two way from now on. अब communication सिर्फ one way नहीं रहेगी, मैं वीडियो में बोलता नहीं रहूंगा. इससे भी बड़ी चीज, the second most important thing, being a teacher and being a doctor, sharing my personal number was the सबसे बड़ा daunting task मेरे लिए. क्यों? रात को 1-2 बजे तक मेरा फोन बजता है, सर ये हो गया क्या किया जाए, सर ये क्वेश्चन नहीं हो रहा क्या किया जाए. एंड आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर माय नंबर, आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर माय ईमेल, बट एक मजबूरी थी, मैं और क्या करूं. लेकिन नाउ I have my digital identity. I have my own digital identity. I have my digital barcode. जहां पे मुझे अब शेयर नहीं करना है. My personal details are safe with me. I just have a digital account, digital version of me, to which people can talk. They can just book a session. They can look at my calendar. I can schedule a meeting. Like I'm not free this Sunday. I'm going on a trip. No problem. I won't schedule a meeting for this Sunday. I'm coming back on Monday. Monday 5 to 6 मैं free हूँ. Monday I'll book my 4 sessions. I'll schedule my 4 sessions. And if anybody wants to talk to me, they can just go on CallXP. They can look into my availability and they can book a meeting with me. So जो मेरी सबसे बड़ी 2 problems थी आज तक की, both of these are going to be solved. And मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि yes, I'm on CallXP and मेरी सबसे बड़ी problem सब खत्म होने वाली है. तो अब चाहे कोई patient हो for free consultancies और paid consultancies, जो patient है वो मेरे साथ लगातार communication में रह सकता है. Even कल को कुछ problem आती है, सारी की सारी जो मेरी consultancies हैं सारी recorded हैं. मैं कुछ चाहता हूँ, किसी को मैं refer करना चाहता हूँ, मैं खुद जाके फटाफट देख सकता हूँ कि हाँ I told the patient this, but the patient didn't listen to my advice. So सब कुछ recorded है, सब कुछ like अच्छे से पढ़ा हुआ है, तो मैं अच्छे से देख सकता हूँ. तो CallXP will definitely change the way doctors and teachers or any other creator is like looking in the future. कि क्या होने वाला है आगे को, कॉल एक्सपी डेफिनेटली चेंज करने वाला है.
Super. Thank you so much. I
Thank you so
think
much.
this is gonna give us a lot of edge for doctors
Definitely, sir.
and mentors like you.
One thing I
Uh,
like to add, like if you have a minute, I didn't log into any other app. अभी तक मैंने नहीं किया क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम जो मेडिकल ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेंसीज की थी, that was those apps used to redirect your traffic, your patients to some of their own hospitals.
Right.
If I'm getting 100 patients on my name, that app will keep on selling them, keep on telling them that yes, you can go to this hospital other than Dr. Abhinav. That's the only reason I didn't log into any of those apps till now. And I'm confident. Finally, I'm going to open my online patient consultancy with CallXP because this problem is finally solved.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Abhinav.
Excellent.
you.
Thank you so much. I think this is going to make a lot of sense. I, of course, now want to bring on somebody who can catch a lie very easily. Is Mr. Gaurav Gill. Gaurav, hi, if you can come on a video if it's possible. I know you're traveling, you're on the road right now. You've been busy with some official meetings. If you can just tell the audience where you are right now so we know what you do.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are audible.
Okay.
We can hear you.
I am on the go. Okay, brilliant. So I am on the go as always. And as Varun and Aman has given this brilliant platform called XP. So as I've already been introduced, being a psychologist, so मैं अलग-अलग social media platforms पे engaged हूँ, be it YouTube channel, be it Instagram, be it LinkedIn, be it Facebook, WhatsApp, you think of it, I'm there. Now, the problem is कि अगर आपका it's not a paid Zoom version, it becomes a problem for us to take a recording thing of it. It becomes a hassle. उसके बाद also in case there are a lot of people who want your number, you can't go ahead, सबको अपना number नहीं आप distribute कर सकते. And then you start getting random messages at night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and checking to see if you're online or not. So with Call XP, with the virtual digital toll line coming in, specifically for a person, will be a great boon, because that ways you'll be able to eliminate the unwanted and be very specific. So be it with the recording, be it with the log, or be it even with the calls, also no downloading of app, which I think is brilliant. Because that in itself becomes, acha, your phone needs more space. Acha, you need to download more. So you keep clearing the junk. So that thing will be taken care of. You don't have to look into more of junk. You don't have to do that. Just get straight onto the link, record, monetize, and also, just as Aman was showing, you could see into the record, the last transaction history also, and my last details, look into my last session, and I can take it from there. And it is very important. Just as Aman was talking about, and Shubhendu was also talking about, that it will change the face of it. मुझे easy पड़ जाएगा the last session that I had. और मेरे लिए तो visual is very important. So when I see you right now, I'm seeing कि आप कितनी बार eye blink कर रहे हो मुझसे बात करते हुए. So I'll calculate that also, and I'll tell you कि if you are, getting stressed. So for
if
me,
you're lying or you're not lying, right?
Yeah, if you're lying or you're not lying, and you're getting stressed, high on stress. So I can be a human polygraph, if that we can term it as. So yeah, I think the Call XP would rev it up.
Yeah,
and
thank you.
And I'm surely looking forward to everyone being a part of it.
Super. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for spending your time. I know that there's going to be a journey ahead from here. We certainly want you to, actually looking to monetize your social presence and you reach more people, because ultimately the aim is to make sure that every individual, every creator, be it doctor, lawyer, or anybody like you, can reach and jump the boundaries and reach those dimensions when people are actually seeking or they need the help to reach such kind of creators on such platforms.
Yeah. So
thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So I would like to say, with Call XP, you'll no longer have boundaries. You'll be global. just by sitting in
Absolutely.
one place. So I'd like to.
Absolutely, yes. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Chief, I'm not sure if you can come on the video now.
Yeah, I can very much. Here I am.
Okay, so people know you by now, and of course, there are a lot of things which we keep learning from you. You definitely have over 3+ decades of experience building organizations across multiple domains. What are those? I mean, personally, I want to ask you this question, but for the audience also, what are the areas where you feel strongest about Call XP from your own point of view?
See, the way I would frame Call XP is that basically this platform has the potential to mimic life, as fundamental as that. Really, what we thrive on in life is human to human engagement, which of course there have been setbacks with respect to what COVID has done. But Call XP has so essentially what any of us is doing in life is gathering a whole bunch of experience. And how that experience can benefit somebody else, that's really the engagement platform that I'm most excited about with respect to Call XP, and the potential for anybody really to draw insights from their experience and share it with people, and where people find it valuable, there is obviously that exchange that happens. And that sort of potential, which literally touches every sort of person who is capable of articulating the insights that they gather from their experience. So that's really the core and fundamental platform that I see Call XP as. And therefore, it has phenomenal potential in terms of just reaching anybody and everybody. And we all know that the era that we live in, technology provides us that particular benefit. But I'm very happy to answer any specific questions that you may have. But yeah, in general, I just see that as a sort of probably a default sort of option that people have where they switch on this particular platform at whatever point in time in life that they feel that they're ready to share insights from their experience. Yeah.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for that crisp answer, Chief. I, of course, want to ask you another question, and I guess we still have a little bit of time. I'm sure you have built a lot of products. I mean, you've been a part of a lot of domains, multiple channels, multiple organizations you work with. Call XP, when it's a platform which is going to unite. And I, in my own statement, what I say is, if I see a globe, the globe is going to come in a shell when people are actually connecting with each other. And Call XP has that potential to probably eradicate any kind of boundaries and people reaching people at different countries and different states altogether. But when this is actually happening, do you think that there could be possible challenges? Anything that you think out of your, do you think there could be possible challenges which people might come across and they might not like it? There could be ripple effects, there could be negativity, or there could be positivity. And what are your thoughts on those lines?
I really see Call XP poised to really test that market and see where the challenges really come in. I can't see any obvious sort of challenges that spring up, given the kind of that platform that has been created. But yeah, going further in the longer term, it's really what are the tools that we can use to essentially to help people share their insights in a more effective, efficient way, right? There are possibilities, for example, of the conversations getting converted to text. There are AI tools that sort of take that text and keywords and then populate whoever profile who was engaged in that particular conversation. So I think that is, I don't know the challenges. I'm not a tech person, so I don't know what the challenges would be. I'm sure that there would be challenges, but they're not insurmountable challenges. They're not impediments or obstacles or whatever. But I think, yeah, there's a lot of learning that Call XP needs to go through with respect to the engagements that are happening on its platform. Just like all the platform participants would be going through their own phases of learning with respect to the engagements that happen on the platform. So I don't know if I answered your question, but yeah, I don't see any immediate challenges. The other challenge at the initial stages of Qualixp might be that we might be forced to bite off more than we can chew, in the sense that the traction might be much more than the infrastructure and the learnings, time that is required. So that could be a little bit of a challenge. But yeah, fundamentally, with respect to the product and the offering, yeah, I see that as a huge opportunity rather than a challenge there. Yeah, the challenge are more operational, technological, which I suppose we'll
Great.
go through with the passage of time.
Absolutely. That was bang on, Chief. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for coming and joining in a very short notice.
My joy.
We
Yeah.
we certainly wanted your input on this. But with that, I think I must let the audience and everybody know, whoever is here, that CallXP is gonna be one of those promising platforms, especially coming launched in India and made in India, and going to reach the boundaries it has to. With of course, we will be doing we will be taking a lot of feedbacks from the creators who come on the platform, be it doctors, be it lawyers, be it consultants, or be it entertainers or be it educators. We will be taking a lot of feedbacks from you. As of now, for the next step is we will have this product launched in a mechanism that people are getting used to it. We will of course take our time to onboard people on the platform. There are a lot of testing still happening. We want to make sure that when people are coming on board with this platform, they are actually sailing smooth. We want to avoid any kind of hassles or any kind of problems for people coming on the platform, be it the creator or be it the end user. That's how we're looking at. Aman, do you want to add something?
No, I think this has been fantastic. Thanks, Sean, and thank you everyone for pitching in and contributing to this amazing experience. I think there was one other question that I saw. How is the platform different from other freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork? So let me tell you that this is again this is not a platform where we are controlling everything. This is your own platform. CallXP belongs to the creators. It has been built for the creators to provide them ownership. So I'm stressing on the ownership part because you have to understand that this is your own website. We are here helping you out in your brand promotion, being your technology partners, being your marketing partners, but we are providing you the ownership of the entire experience that you're offering. Okay, be it be the users who are coming onto you, you have the entire contact details. We are not hiding anything from the creators. You have the entire contact details. You can reach out to your customers directly from CallXP's platform if you want to. You have all the call recordings, and you are the owner. You are the master of how you are the boss actually of how you want to showcase yourself to the world. What kind of offerings you want to show. What is the time that you're available? You're monetizing your own skill set and your own time. So that is how you are way different, and you're not basically just a profile in Fiverr or Upwork. You are there. You can promote yourself on all the social media channels yourself. And we are, of course, as CallXP, we are doing that. But you, again, you have the entire ownership. You can do whatever you want to do with your CallXP. This is going to provide you the digital identity that you were actually looking for.
Perfect. I think that also matches the question for lawyer as well, because there are a few lawyers in the attendees we have over here. And but do you have any points in specific for lawyers? Do you want to add? I can of course think of few, but of course coming from you is going to make more sense. So do you have anything specific for lawyers as a journey for CallXP on CallXP?
A lot of interest actually. We have seen. I was not sure about the market of lawyers as a whole, but from the last few months that we have basically been talking to lawyers, we've seen that it is making so much sense for them to basically, because they are solopreneurs. So they're creating their own market, they're creating their own journeys, and people now are able to discover them through various means. So one of these lawyers I was talking to, उन्होंने बताया that he creates these videos and he shares them on WhatsApp. कि भी किस तरह से क्या क्या चीजें चल रही हैं, जनरल अवेयरनेस की एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. बट वो एक रैंडम वीडियो है जिसमें कि उनकी शक्ल तो आ रही है, people are able to see his face, but they are not able to approach him. Okay, with Call XP, with a QR code and the direct Call XP link present over there, people can now reach back to him. People can start referring him. So it's not his phone number, it's basically his identity which is available. People can start referring that, and over a period of time, जैसे कि आप YouTube पे या किसी भी जगह पर एक टाइम एंड ओवर द टाइम आप देखते हो कि आपकी एंगेजमेंट बढ़ती चली जाती हैं, and people start reaching out to you, and you start getting more traction over a period of time. This is how Call XP is also going to work for you. Over the time, you will see that your profile is getting more traction. आपने जहाँ पे सोचा नहीं था, आपकी geographical boundaries के international border से आपके पास audience ने आना शुरू किया है. So now your profile is not talking for you, and that is also true for all the lawyers and any professional that we see, that they are going to get the kind of value from Call XP.
Perfect. Yeah, of course, there is a lot to add. There is a lot to talk for each segment, because your segment, educator, consultant, and entertainers, there's a huge audience. And we certainly, as a next step, Aman, I think we will be doing a lot of sessions with specific
Yeah.
segments, specific people like doctors specific and lawyers specific. I think there is a lot which can come out as as an observation for these people, and why people should be coming on Call XP, and why they should be using Call XP as Gmail, right? People use Gmail, people use emails. It's a necessity. So there will be a time which we are aiming very soon, that it is gonna become a necessity for any kind of segments who is using Call XP.
Perfectly said.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. If you still have more questions, please feel free to send us an email. We will be looking forward to connecting with you personally. If you want to also follow us on our social media channels to stay updated with our news and our acquisitions in the market. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. It was a pleasure. Thank you.